Well, this time of year we have a lot of problems with seasonal allergies. Florida springs are a little bit early compared to most of the nation, so our dogs and cats start itching and sneezing a little bit quicker than in other places of the country. What we find is our dogs will itch, and that itching consists of anything from head shaking to regular scratching to rolling on the ground, licking their paws. A lot of times we'll see a lot of bronzing on their paws. And that is all indicative of seasonal allergies. Cats do the same thing. They scratch their ears, scratch their neck, and most of the time you notice it's hair falling out, but really they're pulling their hair out. What we find is there's three types of allergies this time of year. We have our insect allergies, fleas, especially here in Florida. Mosquitoes, no-see-ums are coming up as well. And then we have our food allergies, which only accomplish about 18% of the allergies. So what that means is if you have 100 dogs, 18 of them are itching. Out of the 100, that might be considered food allergies, and we'd have to do some further exploration of that. Most of the allergies we find this time of year are going to be environmental allergies. That's going to be your pollens, your grasses, molds, etc. In dealing with that, we have a lot of different treatment options that we can do. First of all, your pet needs to be examined, make sure there's not a secondary bacterial infection, make sure there's not ear infections, and then from there, we can go ahead and start them on some allergy prevention medicine. The number one thing that we use probably is Apoquil. Number two is probably Cytopoint. There are other antihistamines that you can try at home. We try to stay away from the prednisone, which is a corticosteroid. It has a lot of side effects, but sometimes we even have to use that as well. If there's any questions, please feel free to make an appointment, and we'll be happy to discuss that with y'all.